Part two of ways you can earn money online the lazy way, and we start how you can earn money online the lazy way. First of all, you can do ebook reselling. How do you go about this? This is where you go on this, their platform where they sell ebook. You go on this platform, you buy the ebook that you are interested in, and you buy the rights where they allow you to resell that ebook. So you purchase that ebook and then you go and resell it through your online platform, or and then from there you earn money by selling that ebook. And this is another lazy way of earning money, because you only sell this ebook once, you upload it once, and you earn money every day down the years, and continue earning money. Remote data analysis is you find opportunities for remote data analysis tasks on platform like Gigwork or Upwork. This platform, Upwork, Gigwork, they have hundreds and hundreds of jobs online which are being posted every single minute, 365 days in a year. So if you're interested, you can go on this platform and look for this type of job. And remember, signing up is free of charge. They accept freelancers from around the world, so go ahead and apply. Another way to earn money online is called passive income investment. How it works is invest in dividend paying stock, peer-to-peer lending, or real estate crowdfunding for potential passive income. Yes, this is another way of earning money online, and you need to know what you're dealing here because you don't want to lose your money. But once you know exactly what you're doing, then you can end up earning money comfortably at the comfort of your home. YouTube channel monetization. You create and monetize a YouTube channel by producing content around your niche topic. For example, maybe your niche topic is around cosmetic, fashion, lifestyle, so you do content along that line. So if you get followers who are watching your videos, they're enjoying your videos, so the more followers you have, the more people are engaging with your videos. You meet the YouTube requirements, which are you need to have 1,000 followers and 4,000 watch hours. Once you have reached their threshold of what they are requiring, you monetize that YouTube channel and you start earning money through your advertisement, through brand collaboration, through selling products, digital products, or even services on that platform. Another way to earn money online is online retail estate investment platform. Like, you invest in real estate through online platform like Fundrise or Realty Mogul. Remember, before you do this investment, you need to do your research. Once you have done research, you know exactly what you are doing, then you can go on this platform. You work at the comfort of your home, whether you're sleeping, whether you're traveling, whether you're on holiday. Your money usually comes in because this money comes in automatically because it's online and you've done your research and you know exactly how you're going to earn your money. Another way to earn money online is called remote captioning or transcription. This is whereby you listen to an audio, especially when it comes to transcription. You listen to an audio and then you put data down into words. Captioning, where you write, you translate what people are saying. So you provide captioning or transcription services for audio and video content remotely. So yes, people earning money through this. They are hiring global. So go on this platform like Scribby, Transcribe Me, Crowdsurf. All these are transcription websites where they give this type of services, and they are employing people every day. So you can end up earning over $100, $200, $300 per week at the comfort of your home. Another way to earn money online is called freelance graphic design. This one, you offer graphic design services on platform like 99 Designs or Freelancer. These are, or even Upwork.com or even Fiverr.com. These are platform where they offer this type of it's an online marketplace where they accept freelancers like you and I to offer our services on this platform. And then clients, when they go through your profile and they like your sample of work, they buy from you and you get paid at the comfort of your home every single day, every hour, 365 days in a year. Another way to earn money online is called automated stock trading. So how it goes about, you do your research, you know the type of stock you're dealing in, and then from there you go on, you explore automated or algorithm stock trading option, and then once you know exactly what you're doing, you start trading and you start earning money at the comfort of your home, whether you're on holiday or even at home or even sleeping or even eating. Virtual travel agent. So how it works is every time someone you make a booking for, you earn a commission. So So this is a virtual, you're doing it at the comfort of your home, or maybe you're traveling and you're doing this type of job. So you work as a virtual travel agent and you earn commission on bookings. So you are working remotely, but every time you make a booking, you earn a commission. So guys, these are the 10 ways to earn money online comfortably at the comfort of your home, lazy way, every single day, because you end up doing this job once or twice and continuously earning money at the comfort of your home. You control your own schedule. You are your own boss. So thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, of course drop your comments, and I hope you can get useful knowledge from this presentation. And good luck and God bless you. Bye.